Hello guys, and I just want to let you know guys na I have a video that going a little bit more viewers, and I'm very happy with you guys and appreciated with my one of my most viewers. And yeah, like I said, this is the boring vlog. If you are related this kind of vlog, very boring, you are in here. And yeah, and I feel little bit dumb, like when my mom talking with with me, like like sometimes he cannot catch up what I'm saying, but yeah, a little bit down. But yeah, maybe next vlog I will going to uh I will going to a little bit understand with you guys that what I'm doing here. And yeah, it's a little bit not good. I don't know what I'm going to do next, but yeah, that's all. Bye bye.